Here we have the gallery module. This allows you to add a gallery of images to your website. The images can auto-scroll and they can be formatted to fit the space of the gallery module in different ways. Here I've added a second image, and you can see that you can now scroll between the two images. Adding a few more images, you can see how the gallery behaves differently once there are a few images available, such as the scrolling back behavior once the end of the images has been reached. It is important to enter alt text information for all of your images, as people using screen readers, for example, will then be able to experience the website the way you intended it. Also, if an image doesn't load, the alternative text will be shown in its place. The images can be formatted differently. When you select cover, the images take up the entire space of the gallery module, whereas if you select scale down, the images will be true to their size. However, the background color of the gallery will shine through where the images don't fit the space perfectly. Using an image that's intentionally of an awkward format demonstrates this a bit better. So I'll be using the example logo here. In scale down, the example logo will show in its entirety. However, using cover, you'll notice that it will be far too large. The gallery can be scrolled by clicking and dragging, or on mobile, tapping and dragging across the screen, but the images can also scroll automatically. Once a user has started scrolling through the images manually, the automatic scroll is deactivated. You can determine whether the gallery starts scrolling by itself when a user loads the website, and the scroll interval determines how quickly the images are changed. In this case, 4,000 milliseconds, which equals 4 seconds. So the images will scroll every 4 seconds. If you were to enter 1,000, it'll be 1 second, 2,000, 2 seconds, and so on. The gallery's background color is needed for the different image formatting options, and the markers can be configured with 3 different kinds of backgrounds, such as transparent. Here you can see the black background behind the buttons has disappeared, or opaque, that is the option we had selected initially. And there is the option to select a gradient as well. Now you can see that there's a purple gradient behind the buttons. Using a black gradient and a white background, the gradient function becomes more easy to see. The markers have 3 color states: selected, rollover, and their basic color. The gallery resizes to different mobile screens, and here you can see how the scale down option affects how the images react to different resolutions. And then when you select cover again, you can see that the images try to always fill the full space available to the gallery. And that's the gallery module.